Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be making the strobe effect in Houdini. Okay, so what you're going to want to start off by doing is dropping down a geo node, dropping down an agent node. Now I need you to quickly go to mixamo.com, yeah? And just pick a dance off of there, any dance you want. Just pick something you think, damn, that would look cool if I could see frames like this type of strobe effect, you know, like. Anyway, just get that shit off of there. Then you're gonna want to drop down a time blend, but before you drop down a time blend, you're gonna want to bring in the input FBX, bring in your dance. So my dance is here, hit to the side of the body, FBX, scroll up, it should be FBX when you take it off mixamo.com, current clip, mixamo.com. Then drop down a time blend node, and this is so you don't like freak out. And then drop down a trail node, and then if you just click play, it'll have a bit of a trail already, but that's not enough, mate. It's not enough, so we're gonna drop down maybe 10 trail lengths. So now if you go back, whoa, it's looking pretty fucking cool. And then maybe if you drop down 30, it'll be even more. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. That's all I gotta say. I hope you have a wonderful, amazing, beautiful day. Spread love. Peace.